As 2026 begins, our world is gripped by extremes, floods in the UK and a brutal freeze in the US. Picture Somerset, England. Not green fields, but a vast muddy lake swallowing homes and roads after weeks of relentless storms. Across the Atlantic, cities like New York and Boston are paralyzed by a polar vortex, plunging temperatures to -50 Fahrenheit. Frostbite threatens in minutes, power lines sag under ice, risking blackouts when heat is needed most. These aren't isolated incidents. They're symptoms of a planet under strain. In the UK, over 90 flood warnings are active. In the US, schools close not for snow, but for cold too dangerous for children. Rescue boats navigate submerged streets and emergency rooms fill with cases of hypothermia and frostbite. The relentless rain and deep freeze are lived realities for millions, not just headlines. This is the face of extreme weather in 2026, a stark warning that our climate is changing fast. The familiar seasons we once knew are slipping away. Our world is being reshaped by forces we can no longer ignore. Why is the UK drowning in rain? The answer lies high above, in the jet stream, a fast-moving river of air that shapes our weather. This year, the jet stream is stuck, trapping the UK under a constant barrage of Atlantic storms. Warmer oceans fuel these storms, loading the air with more moisture than ever before. Each new storm arrives before the last floodwaters can drain, overwhelming rivers and turning farmland into lakes. This isn't just bad luck, it's a systemic failure as the land's natural drainage is swamped by relentless rain. Roads crumble, supply chains falter, and agriculture suffers as the ground stays saturated. Sandbags and volunteers have become symbols of a community under siege. The new normal is a cycle of storms, with no time to recover. Our climate is now wetter, wilder, and far less predictable. The battle is no longer against a single flood, but against a persistent, atmospheric siege. While the UK floods, North America faces a different threat, the polar vortex. This swirling mass of Arctic air, once contained by a strong jet stream, now spills south as the Arctic warms at double the global rate. The weakened jet stream lets frigid air escape, plunging the US into record-breaking cold. Wind chills of -50 mean frostbite in minutes and force cities to shut down. Infrastructure buckles, pipes burst, power lines snap, and emergency services are stretched thin. In a warming world, paradoxically, we see some of the most extreme cold events on record. The climate's instability is now impossible to ignore. These events are part of a global pattern. 2026 has begun with record-breaking heat, cold, rain, and fire. While North America freezes, Australia and Central Africa are scorched by unprecedented heat waves and wildfires. The same disrupted jet stream that brings Arctic air south also traps heat elsewhere, fueling disasters worldwide. Our climate system is now more volatile and unpredictable than ever. Scientists' warnings have become reality. Excess greenhouse gases are supercharging the planet's energy, driving extremes. From Somerset's floods to Australia's fires, the fingerprints of climate change are everywhere. The world's equilibrium has been fundamentally disturbed. Behind every headline is a human story. Families in the UK abandoning homes to rising water, Americans braving deadly cold. The emotional toll is immense, lost memories, constant anxiety, and daily life upended. Disrupted transport and supply chains mean empty shelves and economic strain. Emergency services are overwhelmed, responding to floods, frostbite, and power outages. Communities are stretched to their limits, yet resilience shines through. Farmers watch livelihoods wash away. The vulnerable depend on neighbors for warmth and food. These are not distant tragedies, they are the lived cost of a climate in chaos. The uncertainty about the future is now a daily reality for millions. Despite the scale of these challenges, preparation and community action can save lives. For flood-prone areas, have a go-kit ready, stay informed, and know how to protect your home and evacuate safely. In extreme cold, dress in layers, insulate your home, and let faucets drip to prevent frozen pines. The most powerful resource is each other. Check on neighbors, share information, and work together. Community resilience is built on cooperation, from stacking sandbags to sharing supplies. Simple steps and shared responsibility can transform panic into effective action. In both the UK and US, countless acts of kindness have made a difference. Our greatest strength in crisis is our willingness to help one another. Together, we can weather even the fiercest storms. The extremes of early 2026 are not a fluke. They are the new normal in a changed climate. We must move from surprise to preparation, weaving resilience into every part of society. This means building smarter, planning better, and listening to science. We can't prevent every disaster, but we can minimize their impact and recover faster. Hope lies in our ability to adapt and support each other. Sharing knowledge and making plans empowers communities. In crisis, compassion and cooperation are our strongest defenses. Let's stay informed, prepare, and foster the spirit of community. The challenges are immense, but united, we are more than equal to them. Together, we can build a safer, more resilient future for our planet.